Gio, and today I'm going to be telling you some things that you need to do during this coronavirus. So first, you should always put on some hand sanitizer. Excuse me? I don't have any more hand sanitizer left. I think I know what to do. Let's go. So, hey guys, it's Gio. I'm back here on Gio's Crafts, and as you can see, I had no more hand sanitizer. So, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own. And all you're gonna need is some aloe vera gel, it doesn't matter what type, some rubbing alcohol, 70%, some containers to put the hand sanitizer in when you're done, some measuring cups, some gloves, some essential oil, any scent of your choice, a bowl of course, and a whisk that you don't really mind getting alcohol on. So first you need some alcohol. Wait, stop. First make sure you have a guardian or parent's adult supervision at all times when you are handling this alcohol. I have my parents right there. So I have, once again, my parent right there, and you're gonna need 2 parts of a half cup alcohol. One half cup, 2 half cups. Now you're gonna need your aloe vera oil, and you're gonna need the same cup, a half cup. And you're only gonna do this once, like 1 part. Then you're just gonna pour it in, but you're gonna make sure you have to be careful with this so alcohol doesn't splash all over you. Okay. So now you're gonna mix it just a little bit. Make sure the bowl is a little bit away from you, and don't lean over it, so don't really breathe it in. And also open a window. Okay, anyway, let's get back to mixing. I'm gonna go take a breath outside. Safety is key. Also, this is optional. If you want to add food coloring, you can, but I like mine plain clear, so I'm not going to. Time for you to add the essential oil. I'm adding peppermint. If your guys's is liquidy at first, you might think you added too much alcohol or not enough aloe vera, but don't add any more because that's what happened to us, and now it's thick. So you're going to either need a beaker or an old medicine syringe that your parents are going to allow you to use to instrute it into your little containers. So let's get started. Oh my gosh. This is how much we got out of our batch, and you don't have to make more people in your family like we do. We have 2 more, so we're gonna make more. So we made 2 different types of hand sanitizer. This one we did the exact recipe but added a teensy bit more aloe vera, but that was all. This one smelled like peppermint. At first it smells a little more like alcohol. So we wanted to test what would happen if we added less alcohol so we didn't have as much of that smell. So these are the other two we made with the other recipe. We added a teensy bit less alcohol and it smells like peppermint. No alcohol smell, but it is a little sticky. So me and my sister added a little bit of a syringe full of alcohol. But if you don't have a syringe, just like take the bottle and pour a teensy bit in, parent supervision, and then shake it up really well for about 30 seconds at least. And then it's sticky at first, but then like your hands are super smooth. We just used them and they're like so smooth there now. So you guys can decide which one you want to make. Remember, less alcohol, smells good, but sticky. And regular recipe, alcohol then peppermint smell. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget you can make this at home. And don't forget to look in the description below on the measurements for both recipes and on how much it costs. But just remember, you can make this very classy in your own label. Hand sanitizer at home. So, see you guys next time. Bye!